What airspace restrictions affect Air Force oversized military cargo? Imagine coordinating a complex operation where precision and safety are paramount. When it comes to transporting large military equipment by air, understanding the restrictions imposed by airspace authorities is essential. Oversized military cargo often includes large vehicles, equipment, or structures that requiring special handling and planning. To ensure safe and efficient movement, several airspace restrictions come into play. First, the Federal Aviation Administration and the United States Air Force work together to designate specific controlled and restricted airspace zones. These zones include areas around military installations, national security areas, and temporary flight restriction zones established for security or special events. Oversized cargo flights typically need to obtain special waivers or permissions to operate within or near these zones. This process involves detailed coordination to prevent conflicts with civilian air traffic and to maintain safety. Second, flight planning for oversized military cargo must account for altitude restrictions. Certain high-altitude corridors are off-limits or requiring special clearance because of the presence of military training routes or sensitive operations. These restrictions help prevent interference with military exercises and ensure the safety of all airspace users. When planning routes, pilots and planners must identify corridors that can accommodate the size and weight of the cargo aircraft while adhering to these altitude limitations. Third, temporary flight restrictions are often put into place during specific operations or exercises. These restrictions can include no-fly zones or times when civilian air traffic is limited or rerouted. For large cargo flights, it is crucial to coordinate with air traffic control to secure the necessary clearances well in advance. This coordination ensures that the oversized cargo can be transported without delays or safety concerns. Fourth, certain airspace restrictions are based on the type of aircraft used. Oversized military cargo aircraft, such as large transport planes, may have specific routes and altitudes designated for their use. These routes are carefully planned to avoid congested airspace and to minimize risk to other aircraft. The restrictions also consider the aircraft's ability to navigate safely through various airspace classes, from controlled to uncontrolled zones. In addition to these restrictions, weather conditions can influence permissible flight paths. Wind patterns, thunderstorms, and other atmospheric factors may necessitate adjustments to planned routes, especially for large, heavy aircraft carrying oversized loads. Continuous communication with air traffic control and adherence to established protocols are vital throughout the operation. Overall, airspace restrictions for oversized military cargo are designed to balance national security, safety, and operational efficiency. They requiring meticulous planning, coordination, and compliance with regulations to ensure that these vital shipments reach their destinations securely and on time.